Southside Concrete Polishing has been in the polished concrete and epoxy flooring business for the past 35 years. We have the right and latest equipment to do the job. Our crew is highly trained and skilled with the latest concrete polishing techniques. They are highly experienced, too. We can transform your dull concrete floors into an appealing, durable, sustainable, low-maintenance and fire-resistant flooring system that will add value to your property. We can also provide you with the right advice regarding the right application for your concrete floor. No residential, commercial or industrial project is too big or too small for us. We can help you take advantage of the versatility of polished concrete flooring through the various applications we specialized in for your garages, basements, patios, restrooms, lobbies and more. We are a family-owned epoxy and concrete contractor operating New York. We take pride in our being honest and reliable as proven by our numerous contented clients. We only use environmentally friendly and top-quality products in all our applications. We will gladly assist you with all your polished concrete needs to make your vision come to life.